This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nita Chauhan. New? Lennar Classic Collection Hendrix plan with brick elevation at Anniston in Katy. New community, highly acclaimed Katy IDS Schools. This one-story home features a modern, low-maintenance layout, with an open concept floor plan and inviting covered patio perfect for entertaining. 3 secondary bedrooms are located off the foyer, with a convenient flex space near the main living area ready to be used as a studio or home office. The luxuxy master bedroom is tucked into a private corner at the back of the home with good-sized master bathroom. Ready for move-in on May 20, 2025, home won't last, so come by and tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Nita Chauhan at 832-368